Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a smart city program initiated by Government of India for development of 100 smart cities throughout India to set an example for the excellent urban planning. The Government of India has initiated these programs keeping in view the deteriorating condition of the cities, and this is a new initiative of the Government of India. The Government of India has launched this mission on 25th June 2015. The objective is to promote sustainable and inclusive cities that provide core infrastructure and give a decent quality of life to its citizens, a clean and sustainable environment to live in. Application of a smart city solutions can be replicated throughout other cities of the country. This is the aim of the smart city program. The focus is on a sustainable and inclusive development, and the idea is to look at its compact areas, create a replicable model which will act like a lighthouse to other aspiring cities. The smart cities mission is meant to be set an example so that other cities can adopt and replicate it within and outside the smart city, catalyzing the creation of a similar smart cities in various regions and part of the country to make India as a whole more environmentally sustainable, socially inclusive, and economically vibrant cities. So this program is a very good initiative done under the Ministry of Urban Development. Some of the core infrastructure element in the city that would be developed under the smart city programs will include adequate water supply, assured electricity supply, sanitation including solid waste management, efficient urban mobility and public transport. Affordable housing, especially for the poor, should be also given more thrust. IT, connectivity and digitalization will be also done. Good governance, especially e-governance and citizen participation, will ensure sustainable environmental safety and security of citizens, particularly women, children and elderly. Health and education will be provided to all the citizens of the cities. This will be an initiative at a city level, but it will have its impact on overall India. The strategic component of the smart city mission are city improvement, retrofitting, city renewal, redevelopment and city extension, greenfield development, plus a pan-city provision of infrastructure. So there will be three major components of the city. Under area-based development will transform existing area. This will be done through retrofitting and redeveloping, including slums, into better planned human settlements, thereby improving livability of the whole city. Development of the planned and fully serviced new areas, that is, will be done, and greenfield development will encourage development around the city in order to accommodate rapidly expanding population of the urban centers. The application of a smart city solutions will enable cities to use technology to improve infrastructure and services. So this is a mission which will improve the overall condition of the urban centers. The comprehensive development in this way will improve quality of life, creates employment opportunities for the residents, and enhance income for all, especially the poor and underprivileged citizens who are residing in the city, leading to inclusive development of the city. Thank you for discussion and watching. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel so that we will provide you more useful content in coming days. Thank you once again for